Hey guys, press the bell icon on the YouTube app and never miss another update from Pinkvilla.
Style, according to me, is an extension of who you are and who you want the world to see you as. So it's very personal. Hi, I'm Nushrat Bharucha and this is my debut walk at Lakme Fashion Week for Sonam and Paris Modi, which is SWA. I absolutely love their work and I'm so happy that I'm walking for them. So they've given me this really nice dhoti skirt at the bottom and they've given me this absolutely heavy worked embroidered jacket, which is like an anarkali cut jacket, which is so beautiful. It flows and I keep taking these twirls in it and I love it. It's very, very pretty. My hair. So they have their collection this time for SWA is called Merlot, and they have these really nice colors in their outfits, and they got these flowers to kind of incorporate with their creative look. And of course, I took the flowers, and we've made this amazing sort of look. Namita Soni did my hair and makeup, and she said, "This is what we're going to do," and I said, "Yay, let's do this!" So we put nice flowers all around my neck, and we had these nice pretty flowers coming out of my hair. And it's super. I feel like an absolute princess. Makeup. We wanted to keep it slightly softer and slightly more detailed in the eyes and just very, very natural, just to for it to look ethereal, I think, when I walk down the ramp. So we stuck to that with a nice little bit of a color in the mouth. So my footwear for the day. Absolute high heels, the highest they can get because the models are really, really tall, and yeah, I need the highest heels possible. Style, according to me, is an extension of who you are and who you want the world to see you as. So it's very personal. For me, it could be a mood I'm in or just what I'm comfortable in that day. But of course, I always have to keep in mind, like I like doing different things. So I like to mix things up and wear the same pair of look, maybe with an oversized jacket or boots. I love boots. So just incorporate something new with something old of mine that I really like. So I guess it's that for me. I think that moment where you stand at the head ramp and you see all the lights come on and people are cheering from you from the crowd, and you just hear click, 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 click. I think that's just amazing. I want to keep twirling, keep posing, keep, doing it for the cameras. I think the head ramp moment for me would be the most special. My fashion journey so far has been a lot of hits and misses, but it's been me through it all. And today I am what I am because I know what I look good in and what I can carry. And I think knowing what not to wear is also very essential. So it's a long journey, but I've come to some point, and I hope I can go higher and make those absolute fashion statements that I want to do. So hopefully it'll all work out. If you like this video, like, share and subscribe to Pinkvilla.